Well, Kong Toby, there is that proposal to replace the small committee with a larger subcommittee with 10 members, but you did point out the absence of independent lawmakers there. Why is it so important, Congressman, that there be independent lawmakers in that subcommittee?
First of all, that is at least they have accepted my proposal, and that's a good way moving forward. Kasi hindi naman yung size ng committee ang gaanong kahalaga doon eh. Ang importante is gagawin namin yung pareho ng ginagawa ng Senate na kapag na-approve na on second reading, wala nang papalitan, di ba? Kasi ang nangyari the last budget is binigyan namin ng kapangyarihan yung small committee na palitan kung ano man yung in-approve namin doon sa second reading. Di ba? Kaya nga napakahalaga ng role ni Congressman Saldico dito para maliwanagan itong mga bagay na ito. No? I think the best thing for him is just to explain, di ba? Kung valid naman explanation, ano naman dapat niyang ikatakot? Wala naman, di ba? Ngayon, yung sa independent, that's the reason why I asked kung sino-sino yung composition ng Committee on Budget Amendments yung tawag nila. No? Kaya ako tinanong yan is para malaman kung sino-sino kasi represented yung majority, represented yung minority, represented daw yung political parties, pero meron din namang mga congressmen na independent. No? So saan man bigyan kami ng pagkakataon yung grupo namin na kahit isa lang maging parte ng subcommittee. Sabi ko that's a good way moving forward. It's a good way kasi yan nga yung naging proposal ko, no? In the beginning, may resistance doon sa spokesperson ni Speaker Romualdez. Parang ibinabato niya ulit sa akin yung problema. Pero at least tinanggap yun ni Chairperson Swansing. At ang tanong ko lang is kung merong representation yung majority, yung minority, yung
Independent?
Yung parties, bakit naman yung independent hindi na lang naisama para may boses kaming mga independents.